Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook if it's not playing videos. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So if you're currently using mobile data, at least try Wi-Fi, and it should go ahead and work. Alright, so if Wi-Fi is not working, try to go ahead and use mobile data and check if it works. Now, if both Wi-Fi and mobile data doesn't play any videos, well, what you can do, if you have the app, okay, go ahead and find it. If you're using Android, tap and hold, and then tap on the information icon. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead over to storage, and then just tap on clear cache, followed by clear data. If you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings, general iPhone storage, find Facebook, and just offload the app. All right. Now, once that's done, find your Play Store or App Store, and then just go ahead and find Facebook, just like so. If there's an update button, go ahead and update it, and after that, open it up and check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead over to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll up and tap on Settings. Wait a bit, scroll all the way down, and you'll find the Media. So tap on Media. And make sure that this one is set to optimized, okay, under video quality, and under autoplay in feed and stories, make sure that it is on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Enable this one. And that's basically it. That is how you fix Facebook if it's not playing videos. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.